Hello, my name is Kaylee, and if you already watched the video that I had Splash Beauty, she's standing up there, and some more little LOL that I already opened are down there. So we're going to be opening one of the OMG World Travels, and this is where my mom loves to go. This OMG World Travel girl loves to go to the beach, so let's open her up. Here we go. Here she goes. So here we go. Here's sunset in here, and she loves to go to sunsets. Now I have my trusty thing that I need it right now. Then we can open up the braids. Just so nice. I love those braids. Okay, now I have to move the braids. Now I need my trusty scissors. It might be funny because if you already watched the one with Splash Beauty, I was using bigger scissors. But now my mom said I have to use little ones just so I can't get hurt or paper cut. We have an cute adorable suitcase. That's really slowly have to get it out. Okay, so her hair is connected to here. Oh, there it is. So that was easy to get sunset out. Oh, let's see. Her thing is right here. So here's sunset. She's out. I can't open up her vacation bag, but that's okay. Okay, just like we said, we're doing sunset. And we have her passport. It's so cute. Sunset in there. So let's see. We need to open this. Oops. So let's see. Oh dear, not again. I did not like when we have to keep on using scissors. Oh, I don't need these. But I didn't have a hanger pattern. There, so I have to go over. So let's see. Ooh. You really need to get the sunset doll because she's cute. So we have this nice thing, and it looks like if she goes to China or somewhere like where my mom went, she will wear this. Let's see, that's the movie clothes. Let's strip it down. Have beautiful sunglasses. This and this does not go together. I can't wait for Sunset to join Splash Beauty up here. She looks pretty lonely. So Sunset's coming to join Splash Beauty. So I'm just going to cut it. Ah, come on, not again. See my hands. Oh, God. Now we have the up and the bottom. Oh, here, yes. Cut this. Oh, yeah, cut it. We have Sunset's thing over there, too. I didn't mention that was going to happen. So, we have her setup ready. We have her setup. Not like my setup. Like I set it up this, but her stuff is cute. Oh, that goes on the top. This goes all the way down. Okay. Oh my God. There. And this goes at the top. For her double stand holder. Okay, Sunset. There you go. You travel full speeches. So Sunset isn't so good at going on here. I can get it on. Okay. So here's Splash Beauty, and if I told you we already got it all out, here's her passport. And here's her right inside the passport, and it says, this, the tropical vibes for me. Sand on, music up, chill out, and party on. Those were a lot of words. Well, you know what it's time for. It's time for you to go join Splash Beauty. Second doll up there. Oop. On. You better not be falling in the videos. No! Okay, so for now on they have to be sitting down because they are bad at standing. What's that, Splash Beauty? Okay, Splash Beauty wants more people to come. I'll put these stands somewhere.